Good morning, students, and welcome. Today we are going to start a new lesson. It's a poem exactly. Lesson number 1.3, In Time of Silver Rain. Let's see what is this there in this poem, what the poet is telling. In the time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. And over all the plain, the wonder spread of life, of life, of life. In the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and tree puts forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new, the poet's name is Langston Hughes. Okay. So what the poet is saying in this first stanza, see over here. In the time of the silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Means he is talking about the rain which has come after a long time. यहाँ पे जो बारिश की बात की गई है वो है ऐसा वर्षा जो बहुत दिनों के बाद, बहुत महीनों के बाद आई. When the rain first appears, okay. In time of the silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. When it start, first जब rains fall होते धरती पे, what happens? The new grasses and all lit up, मतलब वो उगने शुरू हो जाते हैं. एंड वी थिंक फील लाइक ऐसे जैसे कि हर एक चीज़ में एक नई जान आई है. बिकॉज वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द लाइफ एंड ऑल. समर में इतना धरती अपना क्या आता है, द सन इज सो विच कैन स्लो ब्राइट दैट काफ़ी ऐसा लगता है, हमें जलन सी महसूस होती है. इवन द लैंड, द प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो ऑन दिस लैंड ऑल्सो, तो इट इज ऑल्सो, it is affected by the bright sunlight. So when the first rain comes, it feels like it puts new life to all these plants. जो ग्रीनरी जो प्लांट्स रहता है, ऐसा लगता है नई जान उनमें आ गई जब पहली बार बहुत महीनों के बाद वर्षा होती है. So the poet is saying the same thing in this, that after the long time the rain appears. That time what happens, the earth put न्यू लाइफ अगेन, मतलब हर एक चीज़ में एक नई जान आई ऐसा दिखाई देता है. देर आर ऑल ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड. इफ यू कैन ऑल्सो सी नाउ इट्स अ रेनी सीजन, यू कैन फाइंड मेनी ग्रासेस, मेनी प्लांट्स आर ब्लोइंग. ओके. And the flowers lit their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads. Oh life, oh life, oh life. So green grasses grows, the flowers lift their heads, means the flowers that look so, it is ऐसा काफ़ी जगह में खिले हुए लगते हैं. इसके लिए दे सेड दैट द फ्लावर लिफ्ट देयर हेड, मतलब फ्लावर अपने सर उठा के वहाँ देख रहे हैं, झूम रहे हैं. और यू कैन सी दैट प्लांट्स, ऐसा लगता है उनमें जान आ गए. दे आर वेरी स्ट्रेट एंड स्टिफ एंड ऑल. दिस ब्लूमिंग, ऐसा एकदम खिला खिला सा. When it is a summer season, you can see the color of that plants and all. And after raining, you can see the difference that they are blooming. They are blowing and blooming. The flowers are blooming. It's एकदम greenery and all. They are very stiff, and they are shining. So it is said, in the time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and the flowers lift their heads. And over all the plain the wonder spreads. Oh life, oh life, oh life. Means everywhere you can see that there are new lives. The wonder spread, मतलब all are greenery. You can find it very fresh and pleasant pleasant. The appearance is very good. See over here they are showing that same thing in the pictures also. Everything is lit up, सब blow हो चुका है, glooming कर रहे हैं वो. In time of the silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in the joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. What the poet is mentioning in the second stanza, The butterfly lifting their wings means the butterflies, we can see the butterflies flying over here and there. Okay, बारिश में सब लग नजर आते. They go here and there over the other one flower to another flowers. To catch a rainbow kite means to catch the rainbow. See here, आसमान में जब रेनबो दिखाई देते, the poet is saying that butterfly lift its silken wings to catch the rainbow kite and put forth. To catch a rainbow kite, the tree puts forth new leaves to sing. You can find new leaves over the trees and plants. नए नए पत्ते आते when it is raining. So what is saying that the tree put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. यानी आसमान के नीचे नए नए पेड़ों में नए नए पत्ते आने लगते हैं. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. And the children who are passing on the roadway, जो बच्चे यहाँ वहाँ घूमते रहते, even they are quite happy. It is raining. Most of the children like to bath means when it is raining they will just come out, say I want to go outside when it is raining, I want to be wet. बच्चे लोगों को बड़ी खुशी होती है बारिश में भीगना. And they are also thrilled. पहले जो बारिश होती है तो बच्चे बाहर उछल के आते हैं, वहाँ नाचने झूमने लगते अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने नेबर्स के साथ. They enjoy this raining. So what they are saying, not the poet is saying, the boys and girls passing by also go singing too in the time of the silver rain. When it starts raining, the children also come out and they also sing, means they are also enjoying the rainy season. The first rain when it comes, all are very much thrilled, enjoy, because काफ़ी दिनों के बाद गर्मी से राहत मिलती है, बारिश आती है. कई कहीं पे लोग जगह पे बारिश नहीं आती, तो वर्षा से पानी की कमी होती है. एंड रेन इज़ द मेन सोर्स वेयर वी कैन गेट द वाटर. So that is even the children are very thrilled when the rain arrives. In a time of the silver rain, when spring and the life are new, everything we feel such as if it is new. This is what it is mentioned in the poem, that when the rain falls on the heart develops new life. धरती में आपको बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे पत्ते खिले हुए नजर आते. New flowers, leaves comes out from the branches and stems. Everything is wonderful, beautiful scenery, greenery spread over all around when the rain arrives, when the rain falls on the earth. ऐसा लगता है सारी जगह में एक लाइफ स्प्रेड हो गया, एक खुशहाली हरियाली छाई हुई है. But even butterfly enjoys this type of a season. The trees produce new leaves and all. The children are happy and everything is very pleasant and beautiful. Okay, this is what it is mentioned in the poem. Thank you. I would go through this. See, find the rhyming words and use at the end of the lines. If you were a draw, okay, just leave it. That is an activity and all. Other questions will be given to you to come do as an assignments. Okay, I have finished this lecture. Thank you.